So we got some day-old wild rice that I made yesterday for dinner as well. But I said, why not? We're not gonna let it go to waste. And basically, I'm reheating this up. I threw some green onions in there and some garlic and herb butter. I'll show you the butter I'm using. Go to your local grocery store and they should have it. This is going to be probably really, really good. First of all, I love green onions. So let's just gonna see how that turned out and we'll be back. And voila, guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.